See if I can go live stream. As you can see, the walls usually do stuff, break stuff.
Okay. You sound one of the drugs in here?
Huh?
No drugs in here?
Nope. No drugs at all. None of that. No drugs at all. I don't do drugs.
Shit. Alright, well we just gotta make sure everybody's safe in here.
No, I'm safe. Nothing wrong here. Like I said, I was just laying on the couch. I was upstairs. Then I was laying on the couch. Then I seen the light flicker off the roof there. And I said, what the heck is that? Like, oh.
I don't know either, but somebody called them on my contact. Somebody called the police to my address.
Funny, I seen that light flickering. And then I just...
Somebody just called the police on me.
I did not know.
And that's scary.
I didn't even know they pulled up in the driveway.
They couldn't give a name who called, but
They must have killed the light that was coming up in the driveway.
somebody just called the police on me.
It was me. I've been down here with you.
He said, "Are you a content creator?" I said, "Yes."
Yeah, because that guy told me he was on YouTube. He said it was for YouTube. He said it's all been recorded. I don't know. That's what that one cop said. He said it's all been recorded.
He told me not to worry about it.
No, they got a call saying somebody's being beat. That's why they got called.
No, nobody was ever being
I said
beat.
nobody's being beat. No, He said there was cocaine involved.
You're
I
right.
said, nobody does that.
Nobody
stuff.
does cocaine.
He said there were drugs in the house. I said no.
You're right. We don't do drugs. I was just being goofy earlier, but I don't do drugs. I'll take a drug test. That's insane. I'm not understanding, when did we hit each other or any kind of abuse?
Nobody.
When was that ever taking place?
I said nobody's being hit on. He said no.
He didn't ask me that. He just said, "Are you okay?" and stuff. He said somebody called the police on you.
Yeah.
I didn't do. He said, "Are you a content creator of some sort?" I said, "Yeah, I am." I said, "Should I give it up?" And he said, "No." Somebody called the police on me.
I told you something that looked funny because I seen that light flickering in the house.
Right, but I mean, who would call the police on somebody? Or anything. He said, "I can't give you a name who called, but can you get blocked?" I said, "I've tried." I put her for harassment. I put her for bullying. I've put her for everything. I've reported her. I've blocked her from my channel. She can go on under other people's names. I said, should I just give up my content? I'm getting scared. And he said, I wouldn't do that. I'm not. What's weird is how the fuck they got our address.
Somebody has your address. Somebody has your address.
I know they do.
I was just sitting there and I see the lady hit the juice. I said, who is that? Look up, and the whole room lit up. They were hitting the side.
They got their flashlights.
They must have shut the lights off when they come up the road.
I don't know what they did. They were just coming to check to make sure we were okay.
You gotta call somebody. Yeah, nobody's being ignored. That's what they said something about cocaine involved. About cocaine. You were talking about cocaine.
I was doing what?
You talked about
I wasn't talking about that on live stream. I never mentioned anything about drugs.
I don't know where that comes
Nope.
They said it was being recorded. They said it was recorded. I don't know. I don't think they have. I don't think they have.
They can get anything they want.
Oh, they would get it.
Nobody did anything like that. Not any of that.
No, it was horrible.
Oh, this pad stinks. Try this. It helps keep things fresh down there. Does this kind of self-care? Nolme Kotex BioCare with a pH proactive system.
Should I stop doing content, you know? And he's like, no, I wouldn't.
Listen, say, talk about fucking house.
He said, are you a streamer? I said, yes, I am. Oh, you get a lot of crazy people in there. He said, are you a streamer? And I said, yes, I am. I called the police on you. And I named the person that could have called the police, and he said, I can't give you any names. I told him the name. He said, if we get any more calls, we'll recognize the name, but we can't give you, it's confidential. But he said, you are a streamer, and I said, yes, I am.
They weren't here for me. They just got called. They asked us about that call saying somebody surveyed the
Yeah. First thing he asked me was, are you a streamer? I said, yes, I am.
all that shit you don't stop us problem.
I said, should I stop streaming? He said, no, I wouldn't.
They got up again.
They do. I told him the name, and he said, I can't tell you the name. He said, can you block this person? I said, I can't.
He likes cops there. You don't get that too often.
It's gonna happen. I'm a streamer, baby.
I mean, the coffin shop my house.
Okay, well then I'll divorce you because I'm not giving up my stuff.
No, I'm just saying, the coffin shop our house.
What do you want me to do? Live with nothing?
No, I'm just saying, like, maybe the coffin shop.
Be an anti-social version? That's what happens when you're a streamer.
Oh, it's coffin shop our house?
It does. Yes. That's what it means. You want me to give up my stuff?
No, I didn't say anything. You know, people want to call Jason says coffin shop for our house and we're dead. Get rid of this stuff. The good old lady down there watches this place like a fucking hawk.
Just go back up to bed. Just go back to bed. That's what No, all you do is ignore everything, every situation. It's always your way or
No, I
nothing.
got involved.
You want me to drop 5,000 people?
I didn't say that. No, I sound like the cop showing up for our house because of me. Want to be
That makes that I can't.
Oh, that makes good content for you. Is that what you
No, it doesn't make good content. I never said that. I never called the cops, Mike.
I didn't say you did. I like to know you did.
I don't have control on that.
I know.
So I'm supposed to give up this
I didn't
because
say that. I didn't say that. Do whatever you want to do. Whatever you want to do.